Now let's study the open questions. Open questions is different than the closed question. Closed question, the answer can be yes or no. Open question use the interrogative pronouns. For example, why? Why in French it's pourquoi? Pourquoi? Why do you live in Brazil? Pourquoi tu habites au Brésil? Because I love Brazil. The answer of pourquoi have to be parce que. Parce que j'adore le Brésil. How? We say comment. Comment? How do you behave? Comment tu te comportes? I behave normally. Je me comporte normalement. When? Quand? Quand? When are we going to eat? Quand nous allons manger? We are not going to eat. Nous n'allons pas manger. Where? Où? Où? Where are you staying? Où vous restez? I will stay in the restaurant. Je reste au restaurant. Combien means how much. How much means combien. How many children do you have? Combien d'enfants il a? So, combien could be how much or also how many. He has 2 children. Il a 2 enfants. Now, if I would like to talk about price, how much does it cost? Combien ça coûte? It costs nothing. Il ne coûte rien. Now to ask about someone, I use who in English. In French, qui. Who is she? Qui est-elle? She is Alice. Elle est Alice. Now, how to use what in French? We usually use qu'est-ce que. Qu'est-ce que. What does he speak? Qu'est-ce qu'il parle? He speaks French. Il parle français. Which we choose to ask about a specification or something. It depends. If you are talking about masculine singular, we use quel. Quel. Which color do you prefer? Quelle est la couleur que tu aimes? Now, if I'm talking about female singular, I will use quelle. Quelle. Which language do you prefer? Quelle langue tu préfères? Now, if I'm talking about masculine singular, plural, sorry, I will use quelle, the same as singular but with S. Which colors do you prefer or do you like? Quelles sont les couleurs que tu aimes? Now for plural, female plural, I use quelle, the same as the female singular, but I add S in the end. Which are your activities? Quelles sont tes activités? Those are the open questions in French.